Driving a modern vehicle seems effortless. Just click a button or press the start, but hidden beneath that ease lies a sophisticated orchestration of mechanical, electronic, and cryptographic systems working in harmony. From traditional metal keys to smart, proximity sensing fobs, these mechanisms balance convenience with security. The classic mechanical key uses tumblers in a lock cylinder, purely mechanical, no electronics. The remote key adds buttons for locking, unlocking via RF transmission, still needs insertion to start. The transponder key has an embedded chip that sends a coded ID to disable the immobilizer, adding security. Flip-style keys fold into the fob, stylish, compact, often combined with remote and transponder tech. Laser cut or sidewinder keys feature grooves on both sides, hard to duplicate and often include transponders. The to-be key, used by Ford and Jaguar, is cylindrical and difficult to copy, requiring professional programming. A valet key allows driving and door access, but restricted entry, no trunk or glove box, increasing privacy. Master keys, used by locksmiths, open and start multiple vehicles. Unauthorized possession can be illegal. Smart keys allow hands-free entry and push-button start using proximity sensors, no physical insertion needed. From simple metal blades to advanced keyless systems, each key type enhances convenience and security in its own way. What type do you use every day? Let us know below.